This is my van tour video. First and foremost, thank you very much for liking and subscribing to my last video, which was my build video, and also subscribing to my page. Really appreciate that. Please like and subscribe to my page now if you haven't done so already. I'm actually at the top of Home Depot right now because I did a little bit of shopping. So this is going to be touring the whole van inside and out, the back, my storage area. What I've done, I've actually lived in my van. Jesus Christmas, my damn phone. Who's calling me? Silent. All right, so what I've done, I've actually lived in my van for 6 months. I did that intentionally before I wanted to start doing these videos. I wanted to know what it was like to live in the van before I started bringing you guys into my life, so I could really know what the hell was going on. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm now sharing everything I've done with everybody. By the way, my cameraman today is Julie. Appreciate her helping me out. She doesn't want to be on camera. I would show her, but she refused to be on camera, so thanks a lot, Julie. You're definitely in this. And I'm definitely going to put that in there. Sorry. I got some Home Depot guys looking at me now. I'm going to actually show the solar panels right now. Now you can't see it pretty much from the ground level. What do these guys want? No, don't show me. Oh my God. Again, I'm looking for a new camera person. Oh, I'm looking for a name for my van. Anybody that gives me a name, puts it in the comments below. I'm gonna pick the top 5 to 10 that I like the most, and then on the next video, I'll have a poll, and then you guys can vote on what name you want my van to be, because I need a name for my van. Did you hit record?
Yeah.
Oh joy. No, don't move closer, Jesus Christ. Here's my tow hitch, the one that I put on. You have to take off the bumper, but when you order it on Amazon, I will show you. The link is also in the description, and it's actually really self-explanatory. It's really easy. It took me and my friend Norman, it took us, I don't know, a half hour, 40 minutes at most. By the way, I am representing my hometown, Newton Fire. Norman is a firefighter for Newton Fire, so shout out to him. Thanks for helping me with this, dude. So I had a couple questions on my sliding table. If you come in here, Julie, you can see that this is actually my sliding table, and I'll just push it forward. That's what it slides on. It's just on this wood right here. I may have to replace it eventually, but it just slides on the wood. Julie is now fired off of cameraman work. Sorry. Back here is actually the holder to my scooter, motorcycle thingamajiggy, and this is just a 5-gallon extra water tank. It is full of water. I use it for backup emergency. It's just extra 5 gallons of water for, you know, just in case, and I need to pour it into my tank. So there will be links in the description to everything in here, and even more so when I do the price breakdown. But if you have specific questions about things, make sure you comment below. I did install a shore power, which is right here. That's connected to my inverter. It's an inverter charger, so that's my shore power. So I'm gonna show you my gray water tank right now. It's actually mounted underneath the van. There it is right there. This is my gray water tank. Let me see if I can get a good shot of it. It's mounted, here are the mounts. It's just right into the frame. That thing ain't moving. You can see a little dangling piece right there. This little guy right here. That can screw on. I just don't usually, unless I'm in colder climates. But it just dangles. It's fine. It's on a string. And then this is this lever right here that I'm twisting. That actually will release the water. And I actually kept water in here just so I could show you guys. So, okay, not a lot of water, but it's some. I'm getting it on my camera. So that's pretty much it. Let's go check out the inside. This is the bed. This is the comforter I bought off of Amazon. Now, it is a full-size bed. I did cut the mattress to fit in the corners right over here. The mattress is a memory foam mattress. I'll put a link in the description below. I did cut it so it would fit in those corners over there and over there because it's diagonal. But it is a full-size mattress. It fit absolutely perfectly. It fits up tight to right there. The comforter is not a full-size comforter. It's actually a twin comforter. Why did I get a twin? Because I didn't want it to overhang, and it fits almost perfectly all the way around. As you can see here, what I'm going to do now, and now I'm going to lift up the comforter like so. Let me put the camera down. Just a storage compartment for things, and that's on a piano hinge. And I can also get into the back. It's on a piano hinge, so I can actually get into the back by lifting it up in the back there. It's pretty cool. And it's as simple as putting it back down. And there it is. My lights, or my switches I should say, are right there. My DC fuse box, which is right here. This is waterproof. I'll put the link in the description there. I don't know where I got these. I don't think I got them off Amazon. I think maybe my dad got them, but this is a like a cigarette lighter, 12 volt, DC power, and then right here are 2 USB ports. Alright, I try to use DC power, then AC power just a little bit more because AC will drain the batteries a little bit more. I'm going to turn the fan on just for a second because it can get a little noisy so you guys can see it. But the fan, this is my water pump, and I'll actually turn that on and move right over to the sink right now. One of my favorite parts of the sink is where I drained it. So it does go down, obviously, and it has to drain into my gray water tank, right? I did not want to drill more than 2 holes in my floor. I just wanted to drill 1 hole right down here, but it cuts over into my shower wall right here. So the hole is actually underneath there. And that's the hole right there. And there's the water. My toilet can take it, and don't worry. I am going to put that toilet online. It is a Thetford. It's the Porta Potty Curve. Excuse this wood right here. I'm using it for a project that is actually not there normally. I did install this rod at the top. I hang some pretty bulky jackets there. But there's the tile that's up that was not in my build video. I have used my shower, by the way. And my hamper bag. And then I have a bathrobe in the back there. Stove top. Got a Flame King. Works off of gas. I have seen electric ones. The electric ones are sweet, but they do take a lot of power. Underneath is my 10 pound gas tank. Nothing much going on in the refrigerator, although I love my Dometic fridge. It's amazing. It's a fridge freezer combo. I'll do that again so you can see. And the freezer, boom. A lot of compliments on this. I really appreciate it, guys. My table. You saw how it slid from the back earlier. Let me show you actually what this looks like with on my laptop. Okay, so this is me at my workstation or whatever it may be. I can pull it out a little bit further. I have my laptop here. I actually have laptop's on. I didn't mean for that to happen. I also have this. This is my Remarkable tablet, by the way. I do not get paid off of Remarkable. It's just a fantastic product. It's a writing pad. So what I usually do is we'll take notes here, whether it's for comedy writing or I'll do sketches here. This is why I love this thing, because I got rid of all of my notebooks because of this tablet. It's a phenomenal tablet. Got a pillow. My mom made me a pillow. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. My mom also sewed the cushion I'm sitting on as well. There it is. It's made by Ames Power. You can see right there. It's connected to my inverter. So when I want to turn my inverter on, that's it right there. And now my power to my outlets, boom, and boom. My awesome cool blackboard, which I'm going to have in my next video, which is going to break down, I'm going to write down everything for you, break it all down, my pricing list. It's always nice to have a little bit of safety. That is a carbon dioxide slash smoke detector. I do have a fire extinguisher too, which I'm going to mount right there. That is the ACR I got, or my dad got, one of us got. I think the model is ACR 160. It's an automatic charge isolator. The ACR charges my batteries from my car alternator. All right, these are my blackout curtains. They're actually really easy to get. It's just hung up by a rod here. So I use this ladder right here. This actually is a collapsible ladder. You can see how that collapses and it goes up to my roof. It actually extends more, extends up to I think 12 feet. Okay guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the van tour. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm going to have a price breakdown. Again, check out all the links in the description that I put down. If you have any questions, please ask away. I'm more than happy to help out. Also, I plan on releasing hopefully 2 videos a week, at least 1 video a week of just my adventures around the city of Los Angeles, my stand-up comedy, as well as building furniture on the side as well. Maybe what I do on a day-to-day basis, how I cut this amazing haircut that I got here. All right, so stick around, check that out. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.